So now let's see how we can work around with tone curve inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, you need to go around on the file menu and then go around onto import right here. So once you go ahead and do that, I can simply go ahead and then choose an image that I want to go ahead and import in right here, just like this. So now once I go around over here, I can apply the tone curve effect to it. So to do that, while the picture is selected, I'm going to go around on the effects menu and then I'm going to go to adjust right here. Then you can see that tone curve is an option. So once you go around onto tone curve over here on the right hand side, you can see that I can go around and utilize the right arrow to bring down the brightness right here. And I can bring up the left arrow right here to bring up the brightness right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here, you can see that I can bring up the tone curve right here to control out the midtones right here and bring it down to make it darker right here. So the lower you go, the darker the area it controls. So it affects the shadow, as you can see right here, and you can add in more points over here as well. You can go around and press the delete key by clicking on the points to remove the points right here, or add more points right here for more control. So you can go around and increase this out, and you can see that you can change around the bright areas. You can go around, decrease this to change around the bright areas right here to make it much more balanced as well. So you can go around and increase this or decrease this according to how you want, and this is the overall result that you get right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go around and change around the red channel right here, increase out the red channel or decrease this out, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around and do the same with the green channel as well. So maybe increase out the green channel for the dark areas, decrease out the green channel for the bright areas, and so forth. And you can work around with the blue channel right here, just like this as well, and get the effect that you want. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the tone curve effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.